So I see a hazard in front of me. I'm checking my mirrors, middle right, moving out to the right, making sure it's safe. National speed limit in front of me. Glen Mavis, the bottom part of Glen Mavis. I can build up my speed to about 37, 38, which I'm doing. I don't want to go past 40, so I'm just watching that speed at 40. It does say slow here, so I'm braking about 4 car lengths before the bend, so I'm ready for the bend. I'm already ready for this bend. I've got the car under total control. I'm still on my foot brake. I haven't given gas. I'm tapping the gas gently. I'm back on the foot brake. There's another bend coming, tapping the gas, back on the foot brake. Just watching that speed, making sure it's safe around this corner. Back on the gas again. In between the bends, give me gas. I'm coming to a bend. I'm already off the gas. My foot's on the foot brake, gently pressing the foot brake, gentle, making sure I'm safe. Back on the gas again. Coming to another corner, off the gas, braking gently if I need to. I need to brake, so I'm braking. Back on the gas again. I can see around the corner, that corner that I just came around, back on the brake. Braking for the corner, making sure it's safe. Now a long stretch of road, back on the gas. On the right hand side, you'll see a sign for the farm. By this yellow sign here, I'll be braking about 4 car lengths because it's a tight left bend. Making sure it's safe. It is safe, 26 miles an hour around that bend. I'm back on the gas again. National speed limit, building up my speed. I'm getting to 40, 41, okay, I got to 43, I'm just off the gas. And if you look ahead of you, there's a 30 sign, so I'm already off the gas. I need to be ready for 30 before the 30 sign. So I'm pressing my foot brake and we're at 30 now. Following the road ahead. Follow the double bend to the left. I don't know if you saw the sign on the left hand side, the double bend. First to the left. I'm not giving gas at all. I've got my foot on the foot brake. I'm letting the gravity just pull the car down. And we're coming to the next bend. If you can see the white and black arrows, there's a sharp deviation or a turn to the right. So positioning my car, watch out for the gas. When you give gas, give nice and gradual gas on the foot brake and the gas pedal. Yeah, watching your speed. Traffic lights ahead, off the gas, using my foot brake in good time and slowing down. So by 2 car lengths, I should be about 15 to 12 miles an hour, which I am here in front of this car.